way back. You want to sit in a helicopter? Ooh, you might get to. Just came in here.
A helicopter?
What was it like to watch it come in?
Cool. And a little shaky because of it going this way.
Yeah, there's some wind, huh?
Yes, there's a lot of wind.
Made a lot of dirt fly and everything else.
The helicopter! And it's so cool. It actually got dirt every single where. And it looked like it was about to make a tornado.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so all those things, the trigger on that cyclic, that's to talk to the radio. That's to talk to the tower.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. How do I do it? I put my feet on.
Yeah, you got to get your feet in there.
Spring! Oh, wait, and there's a...
I just wish I could drive it.
I am literally
scared right now.
This is a great experience. Who knew we'd be getting in a helicopter today?
No, I thought you were just supposed to touch the outside of it.
Yeah, we thought you were allowed to touch the outside.
Jump in it and
go inside of it.
Yeah.
I've never been in a helicopter.
Okay.
Now you are. You're having fun too.
Thanks for flying in!